Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machinery channel. My name is Richard. So in this video, I'm going to introduce about the girth gears for rotary kilns, for bar mills, and also for rotary dryers. So after the girth gear is casted in the metal casting workshop, it is heat treated first, and then it is machined. And then after being machined, they will put this on the hobing machines to have the tooth features on the outside. And after that, it comes into the final step that we will put the anti-rust oils and also the film membranes on the surface to protect it. And then we put the pen on it. So as you can see now, this is the finished product for of the girth gear. And then it is in halves because it is too big and it's not easy for transportation. Therefore, we made it into halves. And then so this will be shipped soon. And then in our next video, I'll introduce about our other equipments.